News coming in this morning from Kolkata. Major fire has been reported from the city. 3 people are dead and more than 4 are injured in a fire that's been reported from Sialda station in Kolkata. The fire in fact has engulfed property worth lakhs of rupees. It started in a local repairing shop in Surya Sen market and has believed to spread further. According to reports, the fire is still raging. These are pictures from early morning, the first visuals that are coming in from Kolkata of the fire in which 3 people are confirmed dead, many others injured. Manogya Loyawal joining us on the phone line with the latest. Manogya, take us to what's the latest coming in from the spot of this fire.
Well, the 15 to 20 fire tenders at the spot, they have controlled the fire. The fire has been doused completely. There is smoke billowing out of the Surya Sen market. It's morely a morning market where fruit sellers, where grocery sellers and a variety sellers are there. It's a very congested area which took the fire tenders a lot of time in reaching the place. Fire started around, initial reports started pouring in around 5:36 a.m. It has took even more than 1 hour in dousing the fire. But perhaps what is more important is that the people who were there have been seriously injured. More than 4 have been seriously injured and 3 have succumbed to the fire injuries.
Right, so 3 people confirmed dead, several others injured. Manogya, just take us through the area where this fire actually broke out, the marketplace, which is believed to be crammed and crowded. But the time at which this fire broke out, I don't think there'd be too many people in that area.
It's one of the most crowded markets of Kolkata. It's one of the biggest wholesale markets also. Surya Sen market is near Sialda railway station, which makes it even more congested. There are bus routes, there are bus terminals around, so the number of people that were there in the morning was mostly setting up the shops or preparing for the day's work. But what is more important is that had it been daytime, the ruckus and of course the damages would have been far more. The property worth lakhs has been already destroyed. There are senior officials there at the spot trying to control and damage and analyze the losses.